Hi guys, it's me Tammy, and I am here with my pretty affordable skincare routine. I'm gonna apologize now because there's some construction going on in my complex, so you might hear that. So I'm gonna jump right in. I have combo skin. I used to have oily skin, but now I have combo skin. Oily in my T-zone area, and my cheeks tend to be drier. I am 36 years old. Just to kind of give you guys an idea of my skin type, I'm super sensitive, so everything irritates me, and I do get the occasional breakout. Nothing too crazy anymore, but I do get them. So the number one thing that I've been doing recently, and I mean super recently, like the past 2 months, is I've been avoiding any type of face product with a silicone in it. That has made such a major difference, because out of nowhere I would notice that my skin would just get itchy, and I'd like have all these like red blotches, and I wouldn't know why. As soon as I cut out silicones, I stopped having that problem. So if you have sensitive skin, maybe it's worth a try. I will say this though, it is incredibly difficult to find a skincare routine that is affordable and that is silicone free. But I found this brand at Walmart. I've been using it for about 2 months now, and it's the Earth to Skin line, and it's their Tea Time, which happens to also be one of their anti-aging lines, which is a pure coincidence because I never use anti-aging products because they really irritate my skin. But I just bought that little, they have a little trial size for $10, and this is my second trial size because I wanted to make sure that everything went well. In the morning, super simple, I just wet my face and I apply the day cream, and then I apply some night cream. That's it. I don't do anything else in my face. Honestly, most mornings if I forget, I will just wash, like clean off my, I don't wash it, I just put water, take out the eye boogers and I'm good to go. Honestly, I really don't do much in the morning. Then every morning I've been using this roller, and it's a rose quartz roller, and you just pull out, and it's really good for puffiness and inflammation. And I love the rose quartz one because I had a jade one. However, the jade one never stayed cold. This one always feels like I just pulled it out of the fridge. I heard that's just a property of this type of roller. But I just use it every morning. Usually I just do it under my eyes because I'm in a rush and I need to go. To remove my makeup, I use this Boscia. Slow down, Tammy. I use this Boscia Makeup Breakup Cleansing Oil. I've been using this for years. This little size, you can get it at Ulta and Sephora for $10 to $12. I've had this since the summertime, and I use it every day. So it's definitely worth the price to me because it removes all of my makeup without feeling heavy on my skin, without drying my skin out. So the next product I use is this Earth to Skin line from Walmart, and it's their Tea Time White Tea Cleanser. I use this right after this. Then I finish up with their night cream, which is thicker, but for me it doesn't make me greasy or anything like that. It's just thicker. And then I finish up with their eye cream, and that's it. That is my routine for the night. And then on the days that I exfoliate, I use this Acure. I've been using this for ages, their facial scrub. It's like $7. I got it off of Amazon. You can get it at Whole Foods, and I love this. It's actually, it is a little bit of a grainier scrub. So if your skin tends to stay red for a while or irritated really easily, maybe it's not a good idea. For me, my skin loves this. I use it like twice a week. Those are the main products I use. I do occasionally use face masks, but I'm not consistent with those that I use. So I thought I would just share the few products that I am actually consistent with. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will post the links to everything below. Thank you so much for watching, guys.